Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the overview of the 2D animation maker. So as soon as the app opens up, this is what you'll see. In the middle is the workspace where you play with the characters, the objects, the animation, the everything in the video. To your left is the library. So library contains a lot of icons. And the first one is pre-built. Below that comes characters, then properties, backgrounds, text, screen effects, music, uploads, and transition effects. So let's look into each. Now pre-builds are templates from which you can just click on something and edit on the go. This is for people who don't have much time. Below that we have characters. You can either search for characters or sort them based on the type. Then comes properties, it's the same. Backgrounds, you have two options. You can either choose from something over here or you can choose a color. Inside text, you can choose either a text, default text, or you can choose a template. There's also right to left text available. Then comes screen effects, which has the same map. You can either search for it or you can go down and choose whichever you want. Then comes music. We have both background music and sound effects. Uploads is divided into three: images, sounds, and voiceover, which you upload. In terms of images, it's divided into characters, properties, and backgrounds. Then comes transition effects. These are the effects which take place in between two scenes. Now, down below is the timeline. Now, the timeline is divided into three parts. One is the object timeline, the camera timeline, and the soundtrack timeline. So the object timeline contains all the objects. The camera timeline will contain the camera effects, if any. And below is the audio timeline, which will contain your voiceover, your background music, or your sound effects. So we have three, it's divided into three parts. Now you have the play options to your left and also the timing of that particular scene. Now just above the timeline we have the camera effects plus the grid and the zoom in and zoom out options plus the play options of that particular scene and the in and out effect of an selected object. To your right you have the scenes which you can delete or you can add new in terms of duplication or in terms of a new scene. Above you have the main menu and it starts with a save template or a new template, or you can export from here. You can even go to the dashboard or log out from here. Then comes the cut, copy, paste, undo, redo options. You can change the name of your project over here. If you are done with your project, you can have a preview of it or even export it or even share it to your teacher or your students. So with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. Hope you have a good understanding of the main features inside the 2D animation video maker. In case you have any doubts, you can check out other tutorials or just reach out to us. Have a good day.